And here we are, fishing fans. Here we have him poised in the hunt for brown trout. In a little stream in a secret location in the north east of Derbyshire. It may not look much of a river, but the trout in this river are very well proportioned and in a very good condition. Try lifting it up a bit. Bring it round a bit, fam. Bring it round here. Drop it down there. There's nothing happening there. Nothing happening. Bring it back round here, George. Bring it round. Drag it round. Drag it round. Here, grab it here. In fact, come back over here. Hold together. Here. Keep it down there.
Good to there.
Alfie.